everybody, welcome to another Elle on the Moon tutorial. I'm sorry it's been a while. I've been somewhat burnt out, but now I am ready to go. We're going to make a macrame collar. You've probably seen them around, similar ones. We are using Big Twist Textile Yarn, which is no longer available, but you can just use a super bulky weight yarn. It is acrylic and polyamide, so it dries very quickly if you're going to wear this to the beach, but you can also wear this for the winter, fall season, as it has a high neck and it is very warm. So we're going to be doing alternating square knots, so hopefully you know how to do square knots, and reverse larks heading these on. This basically can be worn over pretty much anything. If you're wearing like a little slip dress, you can wear it over a t-shirt. There's going to be a lot of functionality ways to wear this. I hang 36 pieces of rope yarn, and they're in sets of 4, so you'll have 9 different ones around the neck. Pins are in place to stabilize. All right, now the real work begins. I'm going to be doing alternating square knots. There are 5 of them before I latch it onto the bottom horizontal piece that is at the nape basically of the neck. So do 5 alternating square knots all the way around. I do 9 sets of them, and then we are going to move on down. 2 drops tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Elle in the Moon tutorial.